Open the packing box. Take out the inner packing, package insert, and sample collection paper. Open the inner packing. Take out the sampling tube and dilution cap. Stick the sample collection paper on the toilet seat and deposit stool sample. Collect sample from stool at 5 different positions randomly with the sampling probe. Insert down the sampling probe into the dilution cap and make it fully fit. Wait for 10 seconds. Invert it. Read the test results in 3 minutes. Any of the test line turns red. With C line red, it means the result is positive. Only the C line turns red, it means the result is negative. C line doesn't show color, it means the result is invalid. Scan the QR code on the package. If you need more detailed interpretation,